When the quality assurance labels attached to front of machines in XYZ's production area show the customer as Mac Show, it must mean that the biennial Engineering and Machine Tool Show is just on the horizon, and XYZ will be there in force. With 19 machines dotted round the halls, we really are there in force. Our main stand just inside the main entrance, stand number 2140, has a range of our products, everything from toolroom products with the Prototrac control on, mills and lathes, to the sophistication of simultaneous 5-axis and sub-spindle lathes as well. And for the first time ever at a UK exhibition, we'll be displaying the whole range of the TMC product, the VMC with the Prototrac control on, aimed at increasing productivity and profitability for your business. But great deals aren't just done at the Mac Show. If you want to talk about any of our products prior to the Mac Show, contact us. But in the meantime, we look forward to seeing you on our stand, meeting friends old and new to discuss your next machine tool purchase. So come and say hello to me, Machining Mike, and any of our sales and applications team. The show runs from the 15th to the 19th of April at the NEC in Birmingham. You can pre-register your attendance prior to the event. The main stand is in Hall 20, stand number 140. We also have another stand in Hall 6, stand number 72, and we're supporting the World Skills stand with two LR500s, Hall 17, stand 480.